It starts with a little tickle, and before you know it, you have a full-blown sore throat, which causes everything to hurt, including talking, laughing, and swallowing. Millions of people around the world are affected by the symptoms that come with a sore throat. Sometimes you wish you could just go to the doctor for a quick fix, but most of the time sore throats are caused by viral infections, which means that a round of antibiotics likely isn't going to help. In this case, it's up to your immune system to fight the virus, so the best thing that you can do is just manage the symptoms as much as possible. The good news is, it's actually easier than you might think. There are some natural remedies that anyone can do in order to soothe a sore throat, reduce pain, and get you back to your everyday life. And that is exactly what we are going to discuss in this video. Be sure to hang around until the end because there's one technique that not too many people know about. So if you're ready, let's get into it. Just a quick reminder, this video is for informational purposes only. But the first remedy for treating a sore throat at home is with chamomile tea. Not only is it a tasty drink, chamomile tea is great for soothing and providing relief for a sore throat. It contains different compounds that are loaded with anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and pain-relieving properties. While the chamomile properties of the tea help to naturally treat the sore throat, if you warm up the temperature, this has soothing benefits as well. And if you want to take it to a whole new level, you can add a dash of honey into your cup to boost the effects. This honey and chamomile combination will provide relief to your throat and have you feeling better in no time. The next method for treating a sore throat is a classic one, and it's to simply gargle saltwater. You've likely heard of this one because it's a natural home remedy that seems to get passed down from generation to generation. The reason it has such staying power is because it works. Saltwater is a hypertonic solution that works to draw the liquids that are inside of the cells to the surface. So if your cells contain a virus or bacteria, it gets drawn to the surface as well for removal. Now, this isn't to say that it will cure the problem, but the extra moisture will provide a soothing feeling in your throat, which means that you'll have an easier time talking and swallowing. The next way to treat a sore throat at home is with chicken soup. Chicken soup isn't just good for the soul, it's great for the throat as well. Studies found that chicken soup can inhibit neutrophil migration, which is what causes the throat to become sore and inflamed when an infection is present. There are a couple of things to keep in mind though. First, there hasn't been a lot of research in this area, but preliminary research is promising. Also, you should know that not all chicken soups are created equal. Some commercial soups didn't provide the same results in the study, so ditch the cans if possible. Instead, opt for a good old-fashioned homemade batch of chicken soup. It will have more healing properties and be much tastier as well. Next, we need to talk about marshmallow root. If you've browsed the interwebs for any period of time, you've probably seen marshmallows listed as a remedy for a sore throat. Now, unfortunately, that's just an urban legend. Throwing a few of these delicious treats into some hot cocoa might taste good, but your sore throat likely isn't going to feel any better apart from the soothing feeling that comes from a heated beverage. However, marshmallow root, on the other hand, can do the trick when it comes to treating a sore throat. The marshmallow root plant was previously one of the ingredients used in commercial marshmallows that we typically buy from the grocery store. Eventually, manufacturers started using gelatin and more added sugars instead. This is where the urban myth originated. Marshmallow root is often used for medicinal purposes and is good for a sore throat because it relieves inflammation and soothes the mucous membranes. It's so effective that some people even use it for preventative purposes. For example, public speakers often drink tea with marshmallow root before going on stage because it lubricates their vocal cords and prevents them from ending up with a sore throat once they're finished. So this is definitely one that you can consider testing out if you want to cure a sore throat at home. Another one to consider is the combination of apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, and clover honey. Over recent years, apple cider vinegar has been promoted as a cure for almost everything it seems. From losing weight to improving skin, many act as if it contains miracle working ingredients. Now, of course, this isn't the case. However, When you combine it with cayenne pepper and clover honey, it forms a concoction that is one of the best ways to treat a sore throat naturally while at home. All you have to do is combine 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with 3 teaspoons of clover honey and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mix it in a glass of warm water and drink it. The ingredients of this trifecta will work quickly to eliminate the pain that's associated with having a sore throat. And I couldn't have made this video without mentioning licorice root. Licorice root is a rare natural remedy that is popular in both Eastern and Western medicine. It's been used to treat a wide variety of conditions, including colds and, of course, sore throats. Licorice root has been shown to reduce inflammation and aid in the removal of secretions. Some studies were performed to evaluate the impact of licorice root on the sore throats of postoperative patients. They found that gargling a licorice root solution does, in fact, reduce sore throat symptoms after surgery. If you've ever been intubated with an endotracheal tube for surgery, you know just how painful the after effects can be. Licorice root can be used to prevent or treat this type of soreness. Real quick guys, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well, because we have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. I hope you like the tips that were shared in this video, and hopefully you're now one step closer to getting rid of your sore throat so that you can get back into your normal routine. Keep in mind though that while most of these methods are generally considered to be safe, just in case, it's always best to check with your doctor for medical advice and treatment, because they will know more about your individual condition. Just one final reminder, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. But I do want to know, which of these home remedies is your favorite? Which ones will you be testing out? Let me know down in the comment section below. And just a reminder, we do have a full guide on this topic on our website. I will drop a link to it right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.